Have you ever wondered why AI can diagnose rare diseases better than doctors, yet struggles to understand a simple visual puzzle that a child could solve? Welcome to the Jagged Frontier, the hidden pattern that explains AI's most confusing paradox. I'm about to show you why understanding this concept is crucial for anyone working with AI in 2025. Let's dive in. What's mind-blowing about today's AI is unbelievable. On one hand, it can perform superhuman medical diagnoses, identifying diseases from scans that even experienced radiologists might miss. It's mastered complex mathematics that would take humans hours to solve. But here's the catch. This same AI fails at running a simple vending machine. It struggles with basic visual puzzles that any 5-year-old could crack. How is this even possible? The answer lies in something researchers call jaggedness, and it's about to change how you think about AI forever. Let me introduce you to the concept of jaggedness. It's the irregular, unpredictable pattern of AI abilities that doesn't match our human intuition about what should be easy or hard. Look at this chart. Medical diagnosis? AI scores 95%, humans 70%. Advanced math? AI dominates at 90%. But here's where it gets weird. Visual puzzles? AI drops to just 40%, while humans cruise at 85%. Memory retention? AI plummets to 30%, while humans excel at 90%. This isn't a bug, it's a fundamental characteristic of how large language models work, and it has massive implications for the future of work. Now, experts are divided on what this means. Tech optimist Tomás Puello argues that AI's frontier will eventually overtake all human abilities. In his view, jaggedness won't matter because AI will simply become universally superhuman at everything. But there's another perspective. Researchers like Colin Fraser suggest that AI and human abilities may never fully overlap. Why? Because AI has fundamental weaknesses like the inability to learn from experience and retain memory that may not be solved anytime soon. If this is true, we're looking at a permanent complementary relationship between humans and AI, not replacement. Recent scientific research has actually mapped the shape of AI's growth, and the results are fascinating. AI is experiencing high growth in reading, math, and general knowledge. These areas are improving rapidly. Reasoning shows medium growth, but here's the critical weakness. Memory shows almost no improvement. AI still can't learn from experience the way humans do. And this single limitation creates massive bottlenecks. Without memory, AI struggles with many tasks humans find trivial, even while being superhuman in other areas. This is the jagged frontier in action. Let's talk about bottlenecks, because this is where things get really interesting. A system is only as strong as its weakest link. There are 3 types of bottlenecks holding AI back. First, technical limitations, like medical imaging accuracy not being quite good enough, or persistent hallucinations in critical tasks. Second, process constraints. Clinical trials still need human patience and time. The FDA still requires human review. Even if AI increases drug discovery by 10x, the bottleneck becomes institutional speed, not intelligence. And third, edge cases. Those 1% situations where humans are still essential. These tiny gaps prevent full automation. Here's a perfect example of bottlenecks in action. Cochrane medical reviews are the gold standard in medical research, deeply researched meta-studies that traditionally take about 12 work years to complete. Researchers used GPT-4 to reproduce an entire issue of 12 Cochrane reviews. The result? 2 days. That's 12 years compressed into 48 hours. The AI screened over 146,000 citations, extracted data with higher accuracy than humans, and ran complex statistical analyses. But here's the catch. It still needed humans for less than 1% of the work. The AI couldn't access supplementary files or email authors for unpublished data, so 12 years becomes 2 days, but it's not fully automated. This is the power and limitation of the jagged frontier. This brings us to a critical concept called reverse salience. This term comes from historian Thomas Hughes, who studied how electrical systems developed. A reverse salient is the single technical or social problem that's holding back an entire system from leaping forward. Think of it like a traffic jam. One broken down car can block an entire highway. In AI, bottlenecks create the impression that AI will never be able to do something. But when that one weakness becomes a reverse salient and AI labs suddenly fix it, the entire system can jump forward overnight. And we're seeing this happen right now. Case in point, image generation. Remember 2021? Ask AI to create an otter on a plane using Wi-Fi and you'd get barely recognizable shapes, a complete mess. Fast forward to 2024, and Google's Nano Banana Pro can handle complex prompts with coherent text, proper angles, accurate shadows. It's stunning. But here's what's fascinating. Fixing image quality didn't just improve pictures. It unlocked entirely new capabilities that were being held back. Image generation was a reverse salient, and when it broke through, everything behind it came flooding forward. Let me show you what happened when this bottleneck broke. Before, PowerPoint generation was limited because AI had to write computer code to create slides, a slow, constrained process. After, direct visual slide creation with perfect styling. Now AI can generate hand-drawn aesthetic presentations, 1980s punk-themed slides, high-contrast dramatic designs, custom thematic elements, anything you can imagine. Here's the key insight. The hard intellectual work, summarizing complex material, analyzing data, creating coherent arguments, AI could always do this. Visual quality was the bottleneck. Once removed, capabilities exploded. So does this mean AI replaces humans? Not even close. Despite superhuman AI capabilities, humans remain essential for 4 critical reasons. First, information gathering. Can you collect buy-in from multiple stakeholders and navigate office politics? AI can't. Second, understanding unwritten rules, knowing what people actually need versus what they say they need. Third, creating unique solutions that stand out from AI-generated material. And fourth, managing edge cases, that critical 1% where AI fails. The jagged frontier creates countless opportunities for human work, not eliminates them. Here's my advice. Don't watch AI benchmarks. Watch the bottlenecks. What's next to break through? Memory? That would be huge. Real-time learning? That changes everything. The ability to take actions in the physical world? Institutional integration? Each of these represents a potential reverse salient. And here's the warning. When one breaks through, you get sudden capability jumps with little warning. But here's the opportunity. Each breakthrough also creates new edges where humans are essential. The jagged frontier cuts both ways. Let me leave you with 4 key insights. First, AI progress doesn't happen smoothly. It happens in lurches, sudden breakthroughs when bottlenecks break. Second, jaggedness creates both limitations and opportunities. Smart professionals will position themselves at those edges. Third, bottlenecks concentrate innovation efforts. AI labs are actively working on fixing each weakness. And fourth, human-AI collaboration remains essential. This isn't about replacement, it's about transformation. So pay attention to both the lurches and the opportunities. The future belongs to those who understand the jagged frontier. Understanding the shape of AI is your competitive advantage. While others panic about AI replacing jobs or blindly believe AI will solve everything, you now understand the nuanced reality. The jagged frontier means AI will transform work in unexpected ways, creating new bottlenecks, breaking through barriers, and constantly reshaping the landscape of what's possible. This video is based on groundbreaking research by Ethan Mollick from the Wharton School. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button. I break down complex AI concepts like this every week. Drop a comment telling me what bottleneck do you think will break next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.